So if you're getting a wheel error on your Shark Robot vacuum cleaner, like I was, so you're going, why am I getting a wheel error on this? And then it says call customer service. Well, I'm not calling them to tell me to buy a new one. So the wheel assemblies pull out pretty easily. I pulled the battery itself forward, straightforward, 2 screws, lift off, giant cordless phone battery, basically. Wheel assembly though, you undo a couple screws around the perimeter. Here, let's see. You got 2 in the front. You got these 2 right here, and you got this guy back in the corner. I've taken the springs off, so these are floppy. There's a retaining spring that holds the wheel in a down position between this binding post and this binding post, and it keeps it shoved out there. And there's these caps that set on here, and I've got cats, so there's a lot more hair that was in these compartments than what's currently in there. But I want you to look at this encoder. So that one, not the most hairy. Where's the hairy one? Here we go, look at that. All right, so that was underneath. So if you look at what you've got here, you have an infrared emitter and a receiver, and it knows the wheel is turning because it detects a predictable pulse pattern as the motor is engaged. Well, when it's covered in hair, I'm sure it doesn't work very well. So I'm going to vacuum these parts off and see if that resolves the error I'm getting. But if you're getting an error saying that the something's wrong with the drive motor and to call service and it still spins and the wheels still run and it doesn't just sit there and go in circles on you, like it's actually still able to go around the room and just randomly has an error. But the encoder's dirty. I was expecting a rotary disc with slots in it like a VCR or floppy drive or something, but that works just fine. So that's actually a pretty well designed little bit. So I'm going to vacuum that off with a vacuum cleaner, put it back together, and then I'll post an update video if it doesn't fix it.